session this afternoon. No?
Sir, so, sir,
Public signal.
gautod-utod.
Automatic tayo ng mamaya natin this afternoon. Yes, Ma'am Raisa, do you have something to tell us?
Sir, hindi gawa ikaw i-clear ka namon, sir.
Hello, Ma'am.
Hindi gawa ikaw i-clear ka namon. Clear ka namon.
Sorry again, Ma'am. Sorry if you can, I don't know if you can hear me. Sige lang, Ma'am. Okay lang na siya.
Okay naman, sir. Actually,
Basta ano lang yun yung mga... Ma'am. Yes, Ma'am. May problema sa signal kita. Sige lang. Okay. Okay, shall we proceed to the next step? In your classroom, please find go to classwork. Please go to classwork. Okay, and then you can see their competency examination. So you double click competency examination. Please wait. I will present so that you can see. You may lower your hands na, ma'am and sir. Okay, so this is our Google Classroom, no? It is teacher learning enhancement in computers. So what we're going to do is to click classwork, and then under classwork you can see here competency examination. So what we're going to do is double click this or click that one, and then you can find the Google form for your examination. So click on the form and you will be navigated to the Google form of the examination. Then after that, you can see the form. Then afterwards, what we're going to do is start immediately. You can read one by one the questions, and then you have how to answer this is you have to click on the desired answer or the correct answer for the question, and then you can proceed to another question. So this is 50 items. You only have 1 hour and 30 minutes to answer this. And then after you finish answering all the questions, at the bottom there's a submit button. Then what you're going to do is to click the submit button. Okay? If ever you wanted to review, you may do so if you have still time. So that will be before 3 o'clock. Okay? After 3 o'clock, what will happen is the form will close. So the link will not be turned on anymore. It will be turned off. So I suggest before 3 o'clock, you submit your work or your examination. Then afterwards, Google, you can see the score automatically. Then you provide a screenshot and post your screenshot in our GC so that I can record your scores. Okay? Is it clear? Is my instruction clear? Ma'am and sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Right now, you can
Yes, sir.
start now the the exam?
Yes, sir.
You, you may start now. Please start right away so that you will not waste time. And then before 3 o'clock, you have to submit the quiz. Then after that, automatically, after submitting, you can see your scores, provide a screenshot, and put the screenshot on our GC so that I can record your scores. Okay. Okay. If you have any questions, you can chat. You can put it in our chat box, or you can speak directly here sa ano natin. Ay, ma'am, the class code is posted here sa comment. Sige, i-repost ko na lang, ma'am. Sige. This one. Okay. So this is, ma'am, the class code. Ma'am Dion, you can enter it sa classroom natin. And then, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Sige. You're welcome. Okay. Okay. I'll be monitoring you. Okay, so I'll just close my ano. So I will close my microphone and my video camera, but I'm monitoring you. So please feel free to speak up or put the chat. You can write in the chat box if you have some inquiries about the examination. From time to time, I will be monitoring you if you finished your quiz or not. So, okay, I'll stand by now.
Joel. Joel.
Yes.
Kumusta score mo?
Ha?
Kumusta score mo?
Ano man, di na silbi?
Bye, never mind. Bye.
Naku no.
Ano yun?
Hello, good afternoon. I would like to ask if everybody is finished answering already.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Did is everyone through with their exams already? I can see that most of you have passed their exam, already. So let me ask Mr. Kawai. Okay, so I think everyone has already, no? Sino pang waay katapos? Si ma'am, pa? Sige, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sige, we'll wait for you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Okay. We'll wait for ma'am Julian pa. Sige.
Jorel. Jorel.
Okay, is everybody done with their exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much for
Yes, sir.
taking your examination, and that will be 50 percent of your I don't know if I that is 50% of your requirement. So I hope that you did post it in our group chat so that I can check or record your scores. And the other half would be your outputs that you did last time. And what you're going to do is to send it in your Google Classroom. So if you will notice in our Google Classroom, we have the folder. Okay, let me present lang. I think you have a folder, classwork. Go to your classwork, and then you can see here the header for TWTLEIC, December 26, 28, and 29. And you have two folders actually. The other one is your score screenshot, but you did pass it on our group chat, so there's no need to fill this in. The other folder for our activity is for the skills. That's where you're going to pass your our activity for the workshop. So last time, uh, what you did was to save it in Microsoft Word, and then the file name was TWTLEIC. Then parentheses. Inside the parentheses was your name, your first name, your middle name, your middle initials, and your last name. So for identification. Okay, so I'm assigning you this folder in your Classroom. You can upload it here, and I will check it and record your scores coming from our examination, theoretical examination, and then the other half would be your output in here. And you have to have at least 75 points. After that, I will give you your certificates for this training workshop. So please upload it anytime, starting from today, or whenever you have a time. You still have time tomorrow. In the morning, we'll be having our lecture for Canva. So our resource speaker is Dr. Wenda Panes. I have to check on her later so that she will be with us tomorrow. So, any more questions regarding our activity for today, or clarifications, or questions from the examination, or what about your workshop? Have you finished your work, or the other half? Have you performed all the criteria? First and last time. Yes, Ma'am Kai. I think you opened your mic. Yes, you have something to say, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yan po.
Yes, Ma'am Kai.
Tayo nakapos dito.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have any concerns, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am. Do you have something to say, ma'am?
I decide. After ako sa activity.
Gadwa si ma'am. Sila. Yes, ma'am Anne-Marie. Si ma'am Anne-Marie, anay. Ma'am, do you have something
Sir,
to...
oo, ask ko lang sir, clarify ko lang kung ang sa skills bala nga ibutang namon sa Google Classroom, ang karang last Saturday nga ginobra sir.
Oo, ma'am. Ato, ma'am, karang Saturday, ma'am. Ginobra nato, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige, salamat.
Yes, ma'am.
Salamat.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Some other concerns? Don't hesitate to ask questions so that will be clarified. Any more questions?
I do man, sir. Thank you, Gid.
Okay, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Your link for the examination this afternoon will be automatically closed at 3 p.m. So if ever you have not passed your or you didn't click submit now, please do so that you will not be closed with the link sa exam natin sa Google Forms. May timer siya, so it's time bound. That is why you have to click submit now before 3 o'clock. Okay, some more questions. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am Dion. Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am Raisa. Sige, ma'am.
my friend abi kami sir nga nag-enroll sa kang ano ito niya. Sabay man namon sir nag-enroll. Kaso ay sa
Yes, ma'am.
participate sir, it's because may classes pa na sa masteral na.
Yes, ma'am.
Why sir pa exam then why sa kahimo sang activity.
Oo. Pwede siya, ma'am, kalagas. May replay man kita sa Google, ma'am. Yung post ko man sa group chat. Dito lang siya ka criteria naton sa tong ginano naton bala kaya wala siya ka workshop. But for the examination, I don't know if I can still give her the exam. Maybe when she will claim her certificate, I can give her the examination siguro. Okay, right now at 3 p.m. the link for the examination will automatically close, so I don't think she can perform the exam right now or some other time pa. Maybe during the claiming of the certificate, ma'am, I can give her the exam siguro. But tell her to make her her output sa first nato ng workshop, ma'am.
Sige sir,
Ang
hambal.
tanan man, yes, ma'am. Ang tanan man naton nga sa man, ma'am, sa naka-video man sa naton niyo lang, ma'am, ang replay sa YouTube. Okay, so more.
Thank you, sir.
I-cater lang naton, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Pisa.
Nagadula-dula abi among connection, sir. Makot na ako liwat, sir. Ano to ang i-send sa may sir, sa may tong skills? Basta nalawag mo dun, sir, na nautod abi ako.
I-upload ninyo, ma'am, sa Google Classroom ang tongin workshop naton sa Saturday. Ang
Okay.
so may mga criteria sa ginaano. Kay supposedly if nga wala kita nag-virtual training
sir,
workshop.
hindi ka ba tion?
Sorry. Sorry, Gid. Globe. Pwede mo kami bandwidth. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oo. Okay. If ever you cannot understand right now, ma'am, please watch out for the replay So that for your inquiry, the answer is what you're going to upload there sa Google Classroom is the activity that we did last Saturday. It's for the skills, no? Some of them or most of them are just screenshot. Pero those are the things nga ga-comply sa mga criteria nga made mention nato sa rubrics. Kaya supposedly that rubric is for your skills, nga which is evaluate naman ta face to face kung naga-workshop gid nga tuod. Kaso lang kay virtual workshop siya, so we make it to a point that you perform the given skills using the criteria, but you have to provide a screenshot so that we will know if you did really perform the activity. So that is why kinahanglan nyo ipasa to. That is your evidence nga nag-ano. So i-check pa na kung dato and isa-isahon ko pa if ever you correct man siya, then you get points for that. And combining the points from our activity and the examination, again, buo nyo tulad, that will comprise about your points. And if ever you make or you made 75 points above, then we will give you the certificate. So that is our criteria for you to be given a certificate. And we will also give you a certificate, that is certificate of completion and the certificate that you will use for ranking sa DepEd. Then you will also be given a certificate when you participate, because you have participated kaginang aga, then you will have, make sure to log into attendance, log in sa attendance link kagina. And if ever nag-attend mo, we will give you the certificate for Google Classroom. That is a training workshop for Google Classroom. And then tomorrow, if you will attend our training workshop in Canva, this will be a big boost to you. Kay sa classroom natin, we still need to have graphical visual aids and everything, and then Canva can provide that for you. You will be given a certificate, training workshop for Canva. So total certificates will be given apat ka bilog. Okay, so I hope that you can you will attend tomorrow, and in the afternoon will be just the recap of the activities at the same time. If ever you will not, you cannot finish your activity pa, will still be catering for the passing of the activities. So I will facilitate it sa hapon pa, and then even mga concerns we will address the concerns tomorrow afternoon. So and then closing program, don't forget we will invite Sir Panisa and Ma'am Alingalan and Dr. Alingalan tomorrow at 3:45 to 4 p.m. That will be our graduation, virtual graduation lang, or virtual closing. So I'm inviting you all sa virtual closing natin. I don't know if you can lang get, siguro kay solo na itong mga 3 p.m. lang para maka-paway kita temprano. So I will just make an announcement later tomorrow morning, what time are we going to have the closing program, and then that's the time that you can still follow up the certificate next year in January. So if you will claim your certificate, please pass all the requirements as early as now or tomorrow. And then by January 1st, first week in January, you can claim your certificates here in school. At school, sa eskwelahan. Sa opisina ni Sir Ayan, sa Extension Services. Okay, sorry lang sa background music na to. Okay lang ba? Namugidaguro ko nag-online. Nag-workshop ito online, no? Sige. Some more questions, inquiries. I will read some comments here in the chat box. to Ma'am Atundukan's questions, the criteria are atong criteria ang tong yung basis naton ma'am sa step by step or sa pagpasunod no ang sa first workshop naton. You just refer to the first video ma'am that is in AM session sa Friday. Oo. Balikan mo lang sa ma'am from start to finish. You will be guided sa pagpasunod kung what are you going to do and how are you going to execute the processes na perform natin karang first activity. Okay. So I hope that I answered your question, Ma'am Dion Antoinette. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me right now. Yes, Ma'am Raisa, noted, Ma'am. I will check on that later, probably later, and then tomorrow afternoon, I will still check it and complete your scores, Ma'am. Then afterwards, I will be posting the results in a group chat. So that will be later, not more than. Please give me time, no? Because I cannot continue sa December 30. I'll be out. Maybe on just check your group chat. I will post it December 31 siguro, or probably after New Year na lang, ma'am. You can see your scores there, and basta don't worry lang, you can if you can see your total score and you have passed, you can go directly to Sir Panisa's office and then claim your certificates during first week. Sige. Any more questions? I think this is it. If you don't have any questions, or probably you can follow up sa group chat natin. You can always ask me there. If ever I'm online, I can answer your inquiry. So let's end our afternoon session. I'm hoping that you finished all your tasks for today, and tomorrow is another day. So see you tomorrow. Let me require you again to open your video for a while, and let's have picture taking, and I will be posting your link for the attendance this afternoon. Sige. Sige, anay ang buhok kag para gwapag-gwapo gid. Then before you open your sige. Kape gali kita.
Kape, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Kape, ma'am. Nangape gid ako, Ma'am Raisa.
Oh, gali, sir.
Okay. Ako, pili mo. Hindi kape. Kape ako. Sige, oo. Kape kita. Enjoy ko na yung cup of coffee, no? Sige. Okay, ma'am. Sige. Ready? Make your pose or okay. Practice your best smile. Okay. Si Kapoy mangirit. Okay, ready na? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. 1. Wait. Word. Then, dali lang. Hindi pa naman yung iba. Ako. Dali lang yan. Dali lang. Okay. Wait. Okay. Sige. One more. Sige. Ma'am Atundukan, can you take off your mask, please? Or this is only for picture taking, so okay, sige. Guwapa gali si ma'am. Sige. Ready? 1, 2, and smile. Okay, so thank you, ma'am, sir. Thank you so much for attending the afternoon session. By the way, before you leave, I will I will, yes, ma'am. I will, post the link here and pwede mas ano lang natin, ma'am. I will post the link na lang dito sa group chat for your attendance this PM. Sige, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. See you tomorrow morning. Okay. Thank you all. God bless. Bye-bye. Sige, ma'am. I will stop the recording now and then you can quietly exit na sa session natin. Sige, ma'am.